Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make spicy chicken drums. It's very easy to make and it's delicious. Let's get into it. Mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of meat masala, pinch of turmeric powder, soya sauce, red chili paste, 1 teaspoon, sake or rice wine, 2 teaspoons, one tablespoon of scallion, 1 teaspoon of chilies, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and chicken cut slits into it. Mix it all well together. Make sure the ingredients get into the chicken. Marinate the chicken for like an hour. Now heat up the pan on low heat. Add 1 little of oil. Now add the chicken once the oil is heat enough. Fry it for 4 minutes. Now turn the chicken around. Fry it for another 4 minutes. Make sure you baste the chicken. It helps the chicken get all the flavors and cook evenly. Keep turning the chicken every now and then. Make sure you keep stirring the chicken every now and then. And keep basting the chicken every time you turn the chicken. Looks like our spicy chicken drums are almost ready. To make sure of it, use toothpick or fork and poke it through. If it goes all the way through softly, that means it's ready. Now serve it to the plate. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.